Today, let me show you how to use the Chime instant transfer feature. Welcome back everyone to this new video. So if you're trying to transfer payments to other people or to your external bank accounts, you can easily use this within the Chime application. So all you want to do is head over to the move money section, and on the bottom you'll be able to see the option called transfer funds if you're trying to move it to one of your external accounts, or if you're trying to pay someone or transfer it to other people, you can tap on the pay anyone option. If you're trying to pay to other people, you'll need to add in the recipient's Chime sign, the phone number or their email address, and once you select one of these options, you'll be able to enter in the dollar amount and then just hit submit. If you're trying to transfer it to your other external bank accounts, you need to tap on the transfer funds and then you need to link your account. You can either link your card or you can link your bank accounts as well. And once the account has been linked, you'll be able to move money from Chime to your external bank accounts. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to use the Chime instant transfer feature. If this kind of video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.